So yeah, all the energy. Yeah, I'm done.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another KeneishaSays. So today we'll be doing a little mini Shein haul. So we're gonna jump right into it right now. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share this video, leave a comment below. Okay? Alright? So we have the bag right here. This is a mixture of stuff. We have some clothing and some other fandango. So we're just opening it up and let's see what's inside. We're gonna do it together. Okay, so the first thing we have is a t-shirt. Yellow t-shirt. And I got these in medium. I thought I got them in large because the last of the shirt that I got, I wanted them to be a little bit roomier. But anyhow, this is a yellow t-shirt. It looks roomy enough. And it says, God got me. I had done a Shein haul before where I got some t-shirts and I think those were small. I think those were medium. I don't remember. But this don't look so small. It's a medium. Not looking bad. Guys, I know this is like the worst time to be doing this Shein haul because I'm so bloated. This feels good on your skin. Like it feel like I've bought t-shirts before, so it's like a regular t-shirt that I bought before. So this is how this one is looking. It also says my peace, my joy. So I really like this. Let's see what's in here. I bought them a good while back, guys, so I don't remember exactly what's in them. So let's see. This looks like another t-shirt. This one is also medium. Mom of 3 kids. I just had to, right? This is also medium, as I said before. So it's a black. This again fits in the same way. That's how this is looking. Ultra energy, ultra battery. 3 kids drain me. Yeah, I'm done. It's another black t-shirt. It says super mom, super wife, super tired. Like these t-shirts tells you about my life, like every single one of them. The material for this feel more like a spandex. I forgot to tell you how the materials are. This one's like a mix between cotton and polyester. That's how that one feels. This one feels a little bit cottonish. So this is 95% polyester and 5% elastine. The mom one is 5% elastine and 95% polyester as well. This one is 80% polyester and 20% spandex. Now this one feels so nice because of the spandex, and I think this one has a little bit more room, if I'm not lying. Like I like this, and it goes well with the leggings, obviously, but all the t-shirts would. So this super mom, super wife, super tired. That's my life story on all my t-shirts, basically. You know, normally I tell the guys that I like to do a little coffee on my shirts. But obviously these are like really form-fitted in a way that you don't need no extra cuff. Alright, so this one I remember. This is a 2-piece set, a pants set. It's a simple leggings type thing. It's a hustle like a boss, live like a queen. So this is it, gray. Then you have the top for it. It says the same thing. Hustle like a boss, live like a queen. This, I took this in, what size is this? I think I took it in a medium, but it looks loose. Yeah, it's also a medium. US size 6. The shirt is a little bit oversized because it is medium. But this is what it's given. A little tucky. Now this sleeve, if you want to do a little rolly, you can definitely do it. This is what this is given. It's all the way down to your ankle. So this is given cute to me and simple, very laid back. Which is my vibe, y'all know. It's just simple, nice. Yeah, this is a nice sneakers or something. I'm loving this. Very comfy. Yeah. Very comfy. I love this. This is the back. And I love, like, it's gray and then bam, the color in front of it is like, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, I love this. Simple and nice. Alright, what if I think in here, man? What is this? It's like another two-piece set. Another pantsuit. Burgundy. I don't remember. I don't remember buying this. Oh, these are PJs. And the top says sleep. These are also medium. Everything that I have here are medium. Feels very soft and nice. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Has the stripes and the leg. It has like the elastic to it. All very comfy. All very nice. Feel very soft on your skin. So I have no complaints. Very loose and nice. Nothing too tight. This one look like a top. No, another pajama set. This is actually a nightgown. Jamaica we call it nightie. It's very cute. Just a little dress, a little nightgown here. It says love, yellow. It's very pretty. It's very roomy. Again, people, I am bloated. I am bloated, and all these things. All my hair are loose, so I won't even fix it. This is how this is looking. Feel very comfy. This is it. Again, still have on my undershirt underneath this. Very comfy, very nice. Now this is a little dress with a split at the side. And it look dirty though. I saw the Jamaica color and I really liked it. So I said why not. But it looked like, are these thread underneath it? So this is it. This is tight. I feel like this is more like a cover up. Love the color. I had to pull on my undershirt way down here, so I definitely gonna have to give this away or wait until I'm not bloated. Guys, this skirt is not working out for this. This is the back. It's very tight and I had to struggle right now to put this on. So I'm gonna have to give this away. Got some more PJs here. It's like another dress. Is it a dress or a pantsuit? Another PJ. These are very pretty. It's another pants, and again, all medium. So this is the sleepwear, the pink hearts. Nice and comfy. And then you have this little details under the leg that has like little, not ruching, but you know, like a curvy something here. Just like what is on the end of this. Yeah, that's what's on the leg. This is another pantsuit. More like a jogger set. Blue and white. It says love. That's what we deal with. Love. The top is not cropped, but it's like it lands right on top of your waist. This is the jogger set type thing. Again, I know my belly big, bloated, okay? Okay? So this is it, the love. It's all the way down to your ankle. Cute, still comfy, not tight. Just again, jog on, get your slippers, your sneakers on, and run into the store. You know, and a good thing. This is like just cute. I don't know. I feel like I like the gray one more than this one. Maybe the top. Maybe I wanted more of a bigger top or something. I don't know. But yeah. But if it's for you, it's for you, I guess. Not a pajama set. There's Cupid on here. It looks more like a lavender and black type thing, pinkish looking. This is the pants for it. Again, very simple, very comfy, very nice. So these nice pajamas, they're very nice sleepwears and stuff. Very comfy. So I have a lot of pajamas. So this is similar to what the burgundy one was. This one is a pink one, pink and white. And then you have the pants again. Same exact fit, same comfort level, same thing at the feet, at the leg where you had that elastic. So same exact thing, nothing different more than the color. This is the last for the clothes. This is a t-shirt dress. I love this. I love the color and everything about this dress. And I just had to get it. So depending on the type of person that you are, you can wear this with a legging, you can wear this by itself. You know, it is just so pretty. And then the ruffling on the sleeve, the details on that, so cute. This is the dress. I cannot have on my leggings with this right now, but I like how this feels. This is how long it is. So I feel like you can wear, if you want to be more casual, you can just put this on with the leggings or whatever not. But if not, you can actually just wear this by itself. I have on the leggings right now. And you can match according. So say for example you want to go with pink, yellow, or even just a plain black. You know what I mean? But I like the color. So this is it without anything underneath it. It's a little bit depending on the type of person that you are. Would be a little bit naked. It feels a little bit naked. But this is it. This is the length of it. Sharp this down a little bit if you want. I have on an undershirt underneath this because I'm coming off the road just now, and I said let me just do this haul real quick because I had these packages for so long, or this package for so long, and it just don't here. So these colors are like so nice, so nice. And then the sleeve, love it, love this. All right, now we only have 2 more pieces left. I have some accessories here. It's just basically like a necklace and a bracelet on it, like a choker. Ow, 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 ow. Just like a choker. And then the bracelet for it. And then last but not least, I have a phone case. It's a gold phone case, and I liked it because of this band right here. It was pretty cool, you know? This is the inside of it. And that is it, guys. That's all I have. So I wanted some new PJs, some new sleepwear and stuff. You know, just a little comfy stuff because it's spring and you want some comfy stuff to wear, like, you know, it's not too hot, not too cold. They're on sale on Shein. I'm like, why not? So I went ahead and I purchased those. That's what happened. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, share, comment under the comment section. And until later, guys.
Bye. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.